Hey Rog Nation, so today we're going to talk about a new way for you to customize the gadget bag. We love when customers kind of take our stuff and make it their own, and we're going to make that easier for you. Think of it as a BOYB, build out your bag, or kind of a choose your own adventure kit. So let's take a look at some of the ways we've got these outfitted and discuss the practically endless options that you can build out your gadget bag. So the gadget bag's been around for a little while, but it's only ever been available with just 4 of these. This is kind of our bread and butter. 4x12 large Velcro pouch. They're great for a lot of things and we use them across a lot of products. However, this new way of getting a gadget bag in your hands is going to allow you to buy just the shell and then kind of piecemeal it out with what you need it to be. And we've got 2 examples here of how you can do that, but this is really a case of mix and match, and we'll cover a couple of those concepts as we move forward. We kind of envision this gadget bag as holding a radio kit. So we've got 4 of our radio pouches here with a couple of Midlands, another Baofeng, and then maybe you don't have 4 radios, but you've got other electronics. This is actually a Wi-Fi puck that fits in there really well. Then over here, you've got your 2 large Velcro pouches. The charger for the Midlands is one of them. You got plenty of room for cords and stuff in the other. However, this space, or 1/2 of the gadget bag, is also perfect for 3 of our medium Velcro pouches. We've got these in the clear string reinforced vinyl front or the solid front. You can drop them in oriented either direction, but it fills out that space really well. So if you want to subdivide, or maybe you don't have any need for the longer items that these hold, then this is a great way to kit out your gadget bag. Also on the front, one of these medium Velcro pouches fits on this build like it was made for it. So if you want to have some easy things to grab that you don't have to open up the whole bag, that's a great place to put them, like extra batteries or maybe like earplug kits, things like that. Maybe you want to run it with your radios in a slightly different configuration. Also, you can get 4 of these pouches to fit on the front. That way, if it's just underneath your seat or in the back of your rig somewhere, pop that open, hand that radio off, and you're good to go. That does free up quite a bit of room on the inside. So you can add, again, 2 large Velcro pouches there. We've got 2 mediums here, and something I'm pretty excited about, we're going to call this, at least for the time being, the Cord Control 2.0. Super handy for keeping those cords all organized and flat. We all know that when you put them in a pouch or a pocket or a larger bag or whatever, they migrate to the bottom, they get all tangled up. This has got some webbing dominators, so you just pull that open, and you grab the cord you need. You don't even have to close it, you can zip the bag right back up. It will hold a lot of different varieties of cords, including if you have longer ones, like that white cord there. You can actually run it through 2 of the webbing dominators. And then if you do need to pull this out, it comes right out. And like we talked about, you can drop another medium pouch in right there. This makes for a really modular system. It'd be great for a camera kit, if you're doing like drone photography, if you're doing video production, you can get a lot of cords and like smaller pieces of kit here, extra batteries, keep radios on the front. So that's another really slick option. Okay, but that's not the end. You've got your Velcro on the inside that can take 2 large, 3 medium, some radio pouches, just whatever you want to put in there. On the outside, got this Velcro filled up top that's super handy for grab and go items. But you've also got Triple Run compatibility. So you can daisy chain this with some grim locks and hang it off the back of your seat back panel or something like that. Great way to keep the whole kit, easy access. Down here, you do have a MOLLE field that's fully functional. For example, we really like to put the medium GP pouch on the front. That adds a lot of space, another exterior pocket for the gadget bag, and really kind of expands what this bag can do. Then, if you want to get really DIY friendly, we do have strips of Velcro with an adhesive back. This is kind of the ultimate, only your imagination is the limit. You can mount your charge controllers and things like that directly to the Velcro in the inside and really make this bag your own. Obviously the pouches hold a lot of stuff, but we're big fans of Velcro around here, and you'd be amazed at what you can get to stick to a bag. Another way to rig up the inside of the gadget bag is the headrest Velcro pouch. Does a great job paired up with this medium pouch to kind of utilize all that space. And of course you could put like a organizer here, like our keeper. And it does have quite a bit of volume inside this one. So don't kind of discount how useful that pouch can be. It's become a favorite around the shop. Okay, so we've covered a lot, all the different ways that all these pouches can work with the gadget bag. So here's how it's going to work on the site. You'll be able to pick your gadget bag shell. We've got them in black, we've got them coyote. And from there, you'll have a bunch of drop downs where you can choose this headrest pouch, even Velcro by the foot, radio pouches, different sizes of pouches, and our cord keeper to decide how it's going to work for you. Here at Brog, we're big fans of like every trip's different, so your gear needs to change as well. Maybe one time you're going out with a group and you need a bunch of radios and batteries, you're kind of the comms person there. Run it like this. The next trip, you're heading out just for some drone photography, things like that. So you put all your drone parts and batteries and all that stuff in here. We want the gear to work for you for years to come and for many adventures. So let us know if there's any other things you'd like to see with this bag, and thanks for watching.